Sezl stock is a buy. This is based on what the folks at Oppenheimer indicated as of Thursday, the 12th of June. They believe the company can surpass its 2025 guidance of 60% to 65% revenue growth and $3.25 adjusted earnings per share. You know very well that the company serves customers with little or no credit history and offers them a credit building tool known as Sezl. It also has premium services that are a lot more stable. They are regardless whatever the situation is, they tend to do well. This is especially now that there is the credit environment is slightly is a bit is worsening somewhat. So the company doesn't really hold a big slice of the North American buy now pay later market. It only holds around 1% of that $257 billion market. So Oppenheimer just started covering the stock. So it's moving up, getting relevant. So the underlying trend is a bullish one, but for some reason it we have not seen any extrapolations coming up on this 4 hour, daily chart. So we have seen of late, we've seen as of Friday the 30th, it has printed what looks like the 10-day moving average has served as a primary demand line twice. Yeah, if you include these ones, okay, yeah, maybe just say twice. If you even include, if you have a look at its 3 period moving average, it has done that one, two, three, three. If you include today, if you include on Friday, then you're talking about four. It has served as a primary demand line. That is, each time it gets there, it pivots to the upside. But we don't know whether that will be the case. The market hasn't, it's not doing anything yet. Still unchanged in this pre-market session. That is the pre-market session of today, the 16th of June. So on its um, on its 4 hour chart, we have a slightly an extrapolation of an accumulative contraction of its 3 period moving average. High prices are extrapolated. We have $138.47, $150.82, $158.44. No downward projections, but there were downward projections as of Thursday. We had 120.68, 115.21, 3.1.83. But we will see there those downward projections on the 3 hour chart. They are in play at the moment. And here you can see them. They are here. We have downward projections. We have the list is 95.94. Above that, 102.75, 113.77. Above that, 138.47, 150.82, 158.44. We have a lot more ambitious extrapolation of its 3 period moving average. Extrapolating higher prices after maybe a further decline in today's trading session, then things might pick up, but it wouldn't really surpass its the extrapolation is not really well. It's not really extrapolating anything higher than the peak of Thursday, the 12th of June, based on this 3 hour chart. So, but in any case, it's still an impressive projections and extrapolations. I don't think they're. If you look at it, I think it's still ambitious, still bullish. Let's see now. We have same as well, same extrapolation on the 2 hour chart. High prices being extrapolated this time around. It's by Wednesday the 18th. It's expected to maybe surpass its this Thursday the 12th of June peak of 142.43. In terms of projections, we don't have upper projections on this 2 hour chart. Everything is a downward projection beginning from 130.05, 113.77, 102.75, 95.94. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we have yeah, a mix. I mean, a mix. Yeah, mostly upper projections. We have 132.74, the down projection. Everything is 134.04. I mean, everything's an upper projection. We have 134.04, 142.57, 145.05. High prices all extrapolated, and also the yeah high prices extrapolated from today, based on its 3 period moving average. Yeah, it's still the outlook is technically is still a bullish one. Let's just quickly have a look at the single minute charts. They tend to provide us with they don't a lot more. Yeah, sometimes you can find really radical projections. If you don't find any projections on the longer duration charts, you may find them on the single minute charts. Here we have projections just slightly above where it is right now. We have 132.5, 132.07, 136.66, 133.19, 138.12, 139.01. They're really not that radical, as such. Let's see now. Let's have a look at the 5 minute chart. Let's see what we have. On the 5 minute chart, we have, yeah, still just right around where it's currently trading. Okay, so let's quickly have a look and see if any activity has shown up. Still unchanged in this pre-market session, but shares are still are going almost starting going through to 87, 173. But let's have a look. No data. Yeah. Okay. This may be from the post-market session of Friday the 13th. It's not active at the moment. Nothing's going through. We could validate that here. Yeah, nothing's really going through. No, nothing is going through 872 shares so far. Yeah, let's have a look at the weekly chart and see. I don't think we are going to see a lot there. What we look anyway. Yeah, okay. Strongly bullish. Strongly bullish. Nothing in terms of upper projections. We have 64.86. That it's a downward projection. Yeah. Okay, this is what's going on with Sezzle. Let's see now. What do we have in terms of news? What do we have in terms of news? Okay, this recent price trend in Sezl stock. Sezl is your friend. Here's why. Okay, there seems to be a lot of positive notes on the stock. Positive commentary on the stock. Recent price trend in Sezl Inc. Sezl is your friend. Here's why. Most of us have heard of the dictum: "The trend is your friend." And this is undeniably the key to success when it comes to short-term investing or trading. But it isn't easy to ensure the sustainability of a trend and profit from it. The trend often reverses before exiting the trade, leading to a short-term capital loss for investors. Okay, so let's see. Sezl Inc., one of the key, one of the several suitable candidates that pass through the screen. Here's the key reasons why it could be a profitable bet for trend investors. Okay, a solid price increase over a period over a period of 12 weeks reflects investors' continued willingness to pay more for the or potential upside in the stock. So it's quite a good fit in this regard, gaining 262.4% over this period. However, it's not enough to look at the price change for another 3 months. as it doesn't reflect any trend reversal that might have happened in a shorter time frame. It's important for a potential winner to maintain the price trend. A price increase of 55.5% over the past 4 weeks ensures that the trend is still in place for the stock of this company. Moreover, Sezl is currently trading at 98.7% of its 52-week high low range, hinting that it can be on the verge of a breakout. Okay, yeah. So see what you make of Sezl stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.